Hi Drastic Cuties, Wendy here. Today we're going to be drawing a Halloween Squishmallow. But before I get started, as always, you know I love Squishmallows, and so I definitely have some Halloween Squishmallows to show you. Actually, I have a lot. I have 8 of them, and it's such a cool Halloween squad here that Squishmallows has come out with this year. And to begin, let's start with this red and black one right here. No, it's not a ladybug. You can probably already guess, right? So ready? Ta-da! Isn't this just the cutest thing ever? It's a devil bat, I guess. And his name is Dante. And let's see, let's keep going because I have so many to show you. And then I got this black cat right here. And let's see what the black cat's name is. Katerina, of course, right? And let's see here. 1 second. Then we got this bat right here. Actually, this bat is something that I drew a while ago. So if you want to draw this bat, definitely check out my Draw So Cute Squishmallow bat. And let's see here. This one is really cute. Ta-da, it's brown. It's a werewolf. I just think this guy is so cute. And we have well, it wouldn't be complete, right, without a pumpkin right here. It has a witch's hat. And they're just so soft, right? Squishmallows are just so cute, so simple, and so soft, and so awesome. And this one here is the witch right here. The back is just plain right here. Kind of looks like a candy corn. And we have a white one, and this is the white unicorn cat that says boo right there. And last but not least is the one I'm going to be drawing today. Ta-da! Dracula! So right here, well, let's see what his name is. Is it Dracula? Is it just plain old Dracula? No, his name is Vince. And he definitely has a cape going on right here. So that is 8, right? 8 of these Halloween Squishmallows are out right now at squishmallows.com, so definitely check them out. And as always, here's my pen. Get your pen, your Sharpie, or your pencil ready, and your piece of paper, and let's get started. To draw Dracula, let's first start by drawing a big curve for the top of the head. So I'm just going to come right here and draw a big curve all the way across. And I'm going to start to basically build the Squishmallow shape, which is kind of like my dumpling shape, usual dumpling shape, but just elongated. So I'm just going to start to get wider to come down. And so then I'm going to stretch it down, bring it all the way down. And about right here, I'll bring it in. And now I can start to round it off. And connect it at the bottom with a soft curve. From there, let's start to draw the bow right in here, about in the center area. So I'm going to come about right here and draw a circle. So just by drawing a bow, it's just a little bit easier to figure out the top and bottom of this Dracula. So start with the bow right here, nice and big. Just give it some loops on the sides. Same thing on the other side. Nice big loop. And then come in here with some details. So maybe 2 curves if you like. And then from there, I'm going to say about right here. I'm just going to go right across, give myself another point, and that's where I'm going to draw this curve. Just imagine it coming through, and it's going to come right back to the other point that you drew. There. So now we've separated top and bottom. So let's work on the top now so we can bring Dracula to life. So right above this bow, I'll say about right here. I'm going to come about right here and draw a big circle for Dracula's eyes. Oops. And same thing on the other side. And I'll make them Draw So Cute eyes. So come in here with 2 small circles for highlights. a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. Okay, so then let's come above each eye. I'm going to draw a soft circle, soft curve. And then in between the eyes, let's draw a sweet smile for Dracula here. So let's say about right here. Come draw a sweet, soft smile. Soft curve. And then, of course, let's draw the fangs. So add 2 fangs right here. There. So silly, right? And then now let's draw his hair. So come to the center, let's say about right here. I'll give myself a point. And from there, I'm going to go up around his eye, come right back. Oops. Follow my outside shape, come all the way down, and about right here, I'll just give it a slight curve in. So let's do the same thing over here. Drag a point across, approximate height. And do the same thing. Follow your outside. Drag this point across. Oops. Oh my gosh. And connect it and bring this back. There. Now Dracula has a scar. So let me come in here and erase that really quickly. And these are just those white gel pens. Okay, there. Fixed, right? Now let's see here. Let's come to the top right here and let's draw a tuft of hair that he has at the top. Just a curve, go up, and come right back down. And then let's see, let's draw his ears. So we're going to come about right here above this curve. We're going to say maybe about here. Come up, his pointy ears, and bring it down. So same thing here. Okay, so Dracula is looking more complete now, right? So now for his vest. So let's come straight down right here in the center, about right here. I'm just gonna draw a widen out V and come straight down again, say about right here, and draw another upside down V, going the other way. And let's draw his vest. So let's say about right here, I'll pick a point. I'm just going to drag it right across so it's easier for me to figure out my curve, bring it in. So now I can just go all the way up back to that point. So then right here in the center, I'm going to draw 2 circles for his buttons. 1 and 2. And that is pretty much it for Dracula, unless you want to give him a cape. If you do, let's come right here, kind of using this as your guide. Let's go up with a curve, and then come curve it around. Just imagine it going around. And then let's see here, the bottom part of the cape, and give it a little curve. And then just bring it right in here. Just tuck it in. And so same thing here. So right here, just go up. Just dragging this across so it's about the same area. and right here as well. Curve it out and just bring it right back in. And give it a little trim. And other than that, of course, we have to give Dracula a heart. So let's add that right here. So they're all done. I really hope I made drawing Vince here from Squishmallows fun and easy for you to follow along with me. I know today I only drew this Dracula here, and since they're also very different, not like the Skeleton Squad, I'm planning to draw more of them for you. Say like the witch and maybe that white cat unicorn one. But I would love your feedback, so let me know in the comments below which one you want me to draw, if you want me to draw more of them. So thanks so much for watching Drastic Cuties, and I will see you soon with more Drastic Cute videos, of course. So make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Drastic Cute videos. See you later.